Assalamu alaikum students. Today we are going to describe the boxes of unit number 7 which are important from objective point of view. Some of the short questions comes from these boxes, so we must have to learn these boxes while covering the chapter. Today we are discussing the boxes which are related to chapter number 7. First box, which comes under page number 17, tells us the process of photosynthesis. We already described you photosynthesis occurs only in those organisms which have chlorophyll. So photosynthesis is a process which occur in plants and some microorganisms which have chlorophyll. During this process they use carbon dioxide and light in the presence of chlorophyll to make a food. That is why they are known as autotrophs. On the other hand, animals, fungi and microorganisms that do not have chlorophyll, they cannot prepare their food. They obtain the food which is prepared by plants. That is why they are known as heterotrophs. Next box, which is about ATP. In this box we see that there is mentioned the era and the name of the scientists who discovered the ATP. ATP was discovered in 1929 by Carol Lohmann. This is the name of the scientist who discovered the ATP and was proposed to the main energy transfer molecule in the cell by the Nobel Prize winner Fritz Lipman in 1941. अब ATP को डिस्कवर जो है वो कैरल लोहमैन ने किया था और जो है वो फ्रिट्स लिपमैन को नोबेल प्राइज़ दिया गया था. क्यों दिया गया था? क्योंकि उसने इस बात को जो है वो डिस्क्राइब किया था कि ATP के मालिक्यूल जो है वो एनर्जी ट्रांसफ़र मालिक्यूल हैं. इसी वजह से जो है वो फ्रिट्स लिपमैन को जो है वो नोबेल प्राइज़ दिया गया था. Next box is ATP plays a central role as energy currency in all organism. It must have appeared in the early history of life. ये भी हमने पढ़ा है कि जितनी भी एनर्जी ट्रांसफ़र होनी है वो सारी की सारी तमाम ऑर्गेनिज्म के अंदर जो है वो ATP की फॉर्म में ही होगी. Here we'll see another box which is also related to ATP. We have described you when ATP is broken down, it dissociates one phosphate molecule. Due to the breakdown of a phosphate molecule, energy is released and adenosine triphosphate changes into adenosine diphosphate. Adenosine diphosphate also have two molecules of phosphate in case of utilization of energy from ADP. Another phosphate group is released and adenosine diphosphate is changed into adenosine monophosphate. This is energy storing molecule. Next box is osmosis is the movement of water from dilute solution to the concentrated through a membrane. This is basically the movement of water. osmosis में हम जो वाटर की मूवमेंट है उसी को डिस्क्राइब करते हैं जो कि डाइल्यूट कंसनट्रेशन से हाई कंसनट्रेटेड की तरफ मूव करेगा. डाइल्यूट कंसनट्रेशन का मतलब ये कि वहाँ पर जो है वाटर ज़्यादा होगा, वाटर कंसनट्रेशन ज़्यादा होगी. और हायर कंसनट्रेशन का मतलब कि जहाँ पर वाटर मूव करके जाएगा वहाँ पर वाटर की कंसनट्रेशन कम होगी और सल्यूट की कंसनट्रेशन ज़्यादा होगी. एज अ रिजल्ट वाटर जो है वो डाइल्यूट कंसनट्रेशन से हाई कंसनट्रेशन की तरफ जो है वो मूव करेगा. नेक्स्ट बॉक्स इज़ अबाउट स्टोमेटा कवर ओनली 1 से 2% ऑफ द लीव सरफेस बट दे अलो मच एयर टू पास थ्रू दैम. के टोटल अगर हम लीव का एरिया देखें तो उसमें जस्ट 1 से 2% तक स्टोमेटा होते हैं, लेकिन फिर भी